You have to remove these 3 nuts using a 8mm socket. Unplug the connector. Now you can remove the lamp from the car. This pin must go with the lamp here. Now you can put all the nuts back. Reconnect the plug. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.